Now, in just a few minutes time, probably half an hour max, I used these cutters and my hands, and I went and I cut and I pulled all of this out of here. All of it. And getting ready to get rid of it. I also did some work up over here. It takes no time at all. But you have to learn how to do it and get it done. Cut this picket bush out of the way that was here, chopped all this down, pulled all the stuff out of the hastiennas, chopped all this down. This is all within a half an hour. It just takes this clippers, my hands, and the determination to go after these things. Look at this. Cut down all these little shrub things that were growing on these trees that have been cut down but not taken out of the root system yet. So I got all those taken care of. Got all that taken care of. And this is all within a half an hour. Bare hands and this. Take care of all this. Just all that within a half an hour. I'm not done today. But this is just a little bit of what you can do if you just say, okay, I'm going to do this right now. This section right here, I'm just going to do this right now. Then I'm going to have a coffee break or go get a soda or whatever. And then I'm going to go do that section and that section and then that section. Break it down. It's not that difficult. Break it down and start at it. Now I'm going to start watering this grass and everything so I can go ahead and get the weeding done in the garden and then get these buckets moved so those can be chopped down because it's actually on grass, and continue on. It's the job of gardening. You can do it.